Do you like chocolate? Well, I sure do. In fact, give me a piece of chocolate and I'll eat the whole box. I just love chocolate, so I try to stay away from it. However, recently, our retirement community offered a tour of a local chocolate factory. Now, that's one of the benefits of living here, is that they arrange little day trips like that. And for $10, they took us in the minivan to this factory right here in the Asheville area. It was a dream come true for a chocolate lover. I'm going to tell you all about it and show you some of the chocolate. Hi, I'm Sandy from Sandy Over 70. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. It's free.
And where chocolate comes from. Then we'll do our little tasting before we head out into the factory and take a look at how chocolate's made. So let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, this is Peru chocolate.
And then you can put a piece in your mouth and kind of chew it a little bit, but don't chew it entirely. Let it melt on your tongue. As it coats your tongue over the course of 30 seconds to a minute, the flavor might change. Take your time, experience everything your chocolate has to offer.
All right, I'm taking my time and enjoying everything my chocolate has to offer.
Is that 70% thing? 70%, yes. 70%.
It is better though. Now we're trying Nicaragua 68% chocolate.
Oh yeah.
I don't taste too much difference.
Yeah, it's 2% more sugar, but it almost tastes.
Now we're trying the milk chocolate, which I've been looking forward to. More my speed.
So yeah, before we get into the flavor of this one, let's talk about texture. How does it feel?
Smooth.
Not as snappy, I agree. What else?
I like this one.
But what we've got in here is a little bit of a brown sugar to give it a kind of caramelly flavor. The use of apple juice powder to really give an apple pop. And to me, it tastes pretty much like apple pie and a little butter. So feel free to take a piece. If you want to take doubles, just let me know.
Now I'm going to try a piece of apple caramel chocolate that they created special for Christmas. Let's see what this tastes like. It seems to have a white chocolate base. Interesting. The flavors are kind of fruity and not very strong, very mild.
We haven't really gotten to talk about much. We all got to see a decent bit of what's going on here. So if you want to trade places so that you can see what's going on the other side.
The owners met at a wedding in 2003, moved to Costa Rica, packed their lives into a 40-foot vegetable oil-powered school bus, and drove south to Costa Rica. There, they bought an abandoned cocoa plantation. Eventually, they ended up in Asheville, North Carolina, and French Broad Chocolate was soon born. The business began out of their home kitchen, and the chocolates began making the rounds online and at local farmers markets. The demand quickly outgrew the space, and in 2008, the French Broad Chocolate Lounge was born. It expanded and in 2014 moved to its current location in the center of downtown Asheville. In 2012, they opened French Broad Chocolate Factory and Tasting Room. This factory moved in 2018 and now has 14,000 square feet of space and the ability to churn out nearly 50 tons of chocolate each year. The Bean to Bar Chocolate Factory Tour includes a classroom session about the history of French Broad chocolate, an overview of cocoa farming, a chocolate tasting experience, and a guided viewing of the chocolate factory where guests explore each step of the chocolate making process, from the roasting of the cocoa bean to the tempering of the chocolate bars. During the tour, guests taste cocoa in several forms: roasted bean, bar, and bonbon. We compared and contrasted flavor notes in samples of 3 different chocolate bars. Tours are approximately 45 to 55 minutes. Tickets are $12 for adults, kids 7 through 12 are $8, and children younger than 7 are free. You must book a reservation in advance of the tour or tasting. I hope you enjoyed this chocolate factory tour. Is your mouth watering? Mine is just talking about it. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up, and you might want to watch my next video.